Managing SaaS subscriptions involves a lot of moving parts. From handling different pricing tiers to calculating global taxes, the manual workload can quickly become overwhelming. Juggling multiple billing cycles and manual adjustments often leads to errors, billing headaches, and frustrated customers. It also forces your team to spend time on maintenance instead of building new features. It shouldn't be like this. Meet PayPro Global's subscription management solution. We provide a unified platform to automate your entire billing lifecycle. You can launch or test different pricing models in minutes, from per seat to usage-based, without needing any extra developer work. Our system automatically handles tax calculations and compliance in over 200 countries, ensuring your invoices are accurate every time. When customers upgrade or downgrade mid-cycle, the system automatically calculates the proration. No manual math needed. We also help you recover lost revenue. Our smart retry workflows and automated dunning management engage customers to update their details before they churn. With our self-service portal and 24/7 multilingual support, your customers get the help they need, while you stay focused on innovation. Effortlessly scale your SaaS worldwide with a unified solution. Turn your SaaS billing into a revenue engine. Book your demo today.